Hello everyone, it's good to see you here, and if you have been following 5x crypto for a while now, then you would be eligible for some cool drops. And in case if you are still new to this channel, you can still subscribe and turn the notifications on. So when you click on this option of playlist on 5x crypto and open up the airdrop playlist, you would be able to see different airdrops over here. There are plenty of them, and if you have followed this 2-minute video of Injective airdrop, then you would have got this airdrop quite easily. This is Hydroprotocol.finance, and Injective stakers also got this airdrop. All you have to do is just open this one up, then click on this option of launch app, and this is where it will take you. Now you will have to click on this option of airdrop. After that, you will be able to check out your claimable balance after you connect your wallet, and make sure that you claim it within the time frame, as only 7 days are given to claim the airdrop. Otherwise your airdrop will be added to the season 2 airdrop allocation, and just connect your Kepler wallet with it, and this way you would be able to get it. In season 2, you would be getting some more airdrops for the INJ farmer or HDRO stakers. We will create a new video for it in order to understand what the season 2 will be about. And this way, don't just run away from Hydroprotocol just after season 1, as we will be farming season 2 as well. Now let's move on to our another project, and it is the Nibiru Chain. Created this Nibiru Chain airdrop video 1 month ago, and now you can check out your allocation. And for that, just simply open up this link and make sure that you connect your Twitter handle and all the websites. Otherwise you won't be able to get it. When you connect your Kepler wallet with it, make sure that it is shown as linked. Otherwise they will not be allocating any airdrop for you. So I will be providing all the necessary links that I'm talking about in the description below. It will be quite easier for you to just open them up and do all the tasks, and this way you would be able to claim this airdrop as well. So this is the second airdrop, and currently they are facing some issues, due to which they have increased their deadline for the airdrop, and claim date has recently been pushed to 1st of April. So you have got some more time to do your task and connect your Twitter handle, also your testnet account, and also Discord account. Make sure that you verify with seemingly human and also likely human verifications. Both verifications are required in order to get this airdrop. So just simply get it, and this way you would be able to get it quite easily. So these are the 2 airdrops. Now let's move on with our another one, and it is the Eesee one, and they took the snapshot on 16th of March, and we talked about this particular airdrop around 1 month ago. So if you have followed this video of 7 minutes, you would have got quite a good amount of points in order to get ahead in the rank system or the leaderboards, in order to get better allocation of airdrop points. So as you can see that season 1 is completed, but season 2 will also be starting. That's why it is called season 1. Don't just run away from these projects right after the season ends. It's better to farm the points as much as possible in order to get the benefits out of it, and when the bull run starts, you will be getting good amount of money from these airdrops, and also the value of your money will be increasing, or the crypto value will be increasing. So it's better to stick with these airdrops, and if you get the chance to stake on good projects, then it's better to stake your tokens and farm another season of that particular airdrop. So Eesee is quite a good project, as we have talked earlier about it. The fundamentals of Eesee has also been discussed in our earlier video. You can check it out. Now let's move on with another project update, and it is the Linea. There are some new tasks available. You can just simply complete them, and also there's this Azira Pay Finance task that you can do in order to get more LXP points. Also you will be getting APJ tokens for it. So if you complete it, you would be getting 2-in-1 airdrop. The first one is Azira Pay, and the second one is Linea LXP. So I will be providing the link in the description. You can just simply get it from there. Also, in case if you want to earn some more LXP points for your Linea LXP campaign, then there are 3 different tasks or quests available right now. You can just simply complete these tasks, and you would be earning LXP points. And on one of the campaign, you are also getting 2k USDT pool share in case if you are completing the task. And you won't be getting these tasks until 28th of April. So you have to complete these tasks now, and you would be getting LXP allocation on 28th of April. So basically this event started on 12th of March and it will be ending on 26th of March. So just do these tasks on time in order to get your share of LXP points, and this way you would be maximizing your airdrop amount on Linea as well. So I hope this video was helpful, and these are some, let me show you, these are some projects that we talked about. First, the Hydroprotocol, second was Nibiru, and the third one was Eesee, and the last one was Eesee with Linea, and the other task with Linea in order to earn more Linea LXPs. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want to see more such videos related to crypto airdrops and crypto fundamentals, then make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and also smash that like button. See you in the next video.